This time I'm gonna get him back. This time I win. Detective Buckles mouth water. Hug guy. Harumph. More like bug guy. He took down my whole gang. He even stole my girlfriend. And for what? A bowl of macaroni and a handful of popcorn? I've got a plan to get him where it hurts. His hugs. Once I blow up his mom, he'll have fewer people to hug, and then he'll know I am the boss around here. If I'm going to thoroughly explode Detective Buckles' mom, then I'm going to need to gather the explodiest explosive bits. Then I can just smash them all together into the most mom-killing bomb the world has ever seen! First, I'll need an explodulator. No bomb is complete without one. Luckily, my best friend Changles has the best one in town. I'll head over to his place once I finish my plan. Once I get the explodulator, I'll need to get my hands on a Blankentomp. I mean, whoever made a mom bomb without a Blankentomp? The Blankentomp's the most important part. I'll attach a couple. Let's make it several Bim Bams. That way, if the bomb doesn't work, at least the jerk's mom will be off her hugging game for a while. Finally, I'll have to get my hands on some exploding carrots. Wrap it all up in a glorm, and I'm done. I'm gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. Maybe I'll renew my NRA membership while I'm out. Hey, Jangles, old buddy. What's happening? Who in the hell are you? Whatever. You got a explodulator? Sure do, old buddy, old pal. Let me go back and grab you one. Ha-ha! Later, loser. Fucking finally. Here's that damn Blankentomp. And my stash of Glorm. One, two, three, 4 Bim Bams. Heck yeah, this bomb is gonna rock. Two prime exploding carrots. Take the exploding carrots. Very carefully. Put the Blankentomp on one side. Put the explodulator on the other. Finally, place one Bim Bam on each end of the explodulator. And the blocking top. Line it all up. And blorp it all in the glorm. And it's done. Boom bam. Oops, I shouldn't have said that. My best friend in the whole wide world, Jorgy Combrameter, says Jerk's mom works on the couch. Maybe I can find a corner to cram the bomb in now. Then I dial the bomb's phone number later, and kazam, toasted mom.
Holy shit, is that food? Holy shit, that is food. Fuck yeah, I love food.
Detective Buckles, what are you doing down there on the floor, you wacky libertine?
I'm having a snacky poo. Though I do have a gross appreciation for food, my interest is hardly lubricious.
Well, I'd recommend caution in Ray food. I hear there's a bad guy out there who's looking to get his revenge on you or some such.
Oh sure, I know all about that. Don't worry your pretty little head about it. Your boy, Detective Buckles, has things well in hand. In fact, that little display you walked in on is just practice.
Practice, you say?
You'll see.
Your name is Changles?
Yep.
And what's that?
What, my name?
Yes, Changles.
Can I help you some?
Thanks. I can take it from here. Tell me, Changles, did you commit any crimes?
You got me. I did commit a crime. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
There. Just give me the tea.
The tea? Well, you're cute and he's dumb.
Yes, thanks. You are so kind and observant. But what I want to know is the substance of your crimes.
Crimes? Oh no, there was only one. You see, I had this explodulator. I was just so scared of it, I gave it to some guy.
Some guy? We need a name, man!
Well, my name is Changles, you nerd. That's the only name I got.
Lol, nerd. Thanks, Changles. You've given me what I need. You know, you're a real swell dude. Come here. Let me smell your face. Goodbye, Changles.
Whatever are we looking for in here?
Jeez. I don't use rudimentary goo-filled vision blobs. We smell for evidence. What we're looking for is right here. Reach in and grab one.
Okay, now what, you randy bugger?
Break it in half and toss it to me.
What? You just ate the evidence.
Yep. Sure did. You want the last bit? Psych! I ate that too. Ugh, let's go.
Go? But we haven't found anything or whatnot.
This is the Glorm room. Glorm isn't food. Let's go.
Who would store bomb ingredients in their living room? I mean, really.
Oh, I'm not here for the bomb. I just smelled some Bim Bams. Can you open up that jar there and grab me a handful?
These? They do look tasty. Oh, jolly good, sir. Jolly good indeed.
Ooh, careful there. Get any in your shirt, and I won't be able to hug you for a while.
Why is that?
Well, you'll smell like Bim Bams, and it'll drive me nuts. Hugs require intense focus. Bim Bams will be my downfall.
The kitchen? Buckles, my good man, I do believe we should be focusing on the case at hand.
What do you mean? The last bomb ingredient is here.
Pardon? Wow, Buckles, you really are just the best at everything. I'm positively chuffed to work with you.
Thanks. You're something too. Anyway, once I sniff out the last ingredient, I'll be able to find the bomb and the person who made it. Bam! Carrots. I knew it. Carrots rule. Toss me one.
No, I knew it. You're only here for the food.
Whatever, nerd. So, an explodulator, Blankenton, Bim Bams, carrots, and Glorm. I hate Glorm when it's all warm and floppy and sticks in your gums. There's only one man that would make a bomb with Glorm, and that man is...
How will we ever know where the bomb is? We have to find it quick, or it just may go off, you know.
Sheesh, don't worry. We aren't the target. I'll just warm up the old sniffer and get to work.
Righto, Buckles. You demolished that thing. What did the man say to the dynamite, am I right? Ha 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 ha. But how are we ever going to find who put that there?
Boy, I just can't even with you sometimes. We already been to his house, though.
This is starting to look familiar. I do believe we have been here before. I'll look around.
No need. He's probably in his lair, doing some kind of pervert stuff.
Here I go.
Oi, I saw that. Come with me. Oh, all right.
You were a strange fellow, but you always gave me your food, just like my mom. I'm crying on the inside. Ooh, I'm gonna go find my mom and give her a big old hug. I love you, Mom. We should hug soon, right after lunch. Oh, God. What lovely twist is this? So, hey, I don't really know the last time I ate. What's the deal with that? You think I could get some bim bams? You know, like sometimes they just appear out of the sky. Can you do that?
What ho! But for sure. Anything for Detective Buckles. A guy.